Mr. Ness here from World Famous Foods. Today I'm here with Julius Negatron. He's going to show us how to make a homemade pizza.
What's up?
Let's cook.
Okay, the first thing I did was like build a pile of salmonella. This. And this is the pizza dough I prepared. Did that like 24 hours ago. All I'm doing is, yeah.
Man, how long have you been making pizza?
Oh, for like 6 months.
What made you start making pizza anyway?
I never could make a pizza, and it kind of bothered me, so I had to practice. So what I do is just take the dough and then whip it a couple of times in the salmonella, and then I just pat it down.
That noise you guys are hearing in the background is actually New Year's Eve. We're in Sachsen, Germany right now, and we're learning how to make a homemade pizza. Again, we're with Julius Negatron. Y'all can follow him on Instagram, Julius Negatron. I'll put the link in the description.
So that's what I do first, and then I just grab the pizza dough and then turn it a little bit, just like in a Italian restaurant.
That looks good, man. That looks really good.
At first I thought, yeah, this looks kind of hard when I saw it, like a real Italian do it. But now, if you got the right pizza dough, like me, then it's not that hard. All right, that's it. Okay, so got the pizza dough in my hand, or in my hands. Just kind of lay it down here. Put some salmonella on that first.
The salmonella is a type of flour, just in case you guys didn't know.
Yep. And then the tomato sauce.
Is that homemade also?
Yes.
All right.
Of course. And you just kind of move it around the spoon. Okay. That's it. And first, cheese. I'll use mozzarella for this.
Mozzarella, okay. Guys, don't forget, you gotta follow him on Instagram.
Yeah,
Julius Negatron.
Yeah, I do these little short videos. Kind of entertaining, but gets the job done. Okay, so what do you want me to put on a pizza?
Whatever you want, man.
All right, then let's make a ham pizza.
Okay.
All right.
Big props to our cameraman today, Mr. Burkon.
Back on. AKA Birdman. No, Bergman. Or what'd you call him? Bergman?
I call him the King of Leerburg.
Yeah, that's a little small village near Ansbach. All right, not too much toppings. Pretty good. And then we could put some...
Put some onions on there too, man.
What?
Onions?
Onions? Yeah, let's put some onions on there.
Okay.
See, I prepared the toppings here. So you just can freestyle here.
I know you guys looking at the video thinking, but the smell, yes. Telling you.
All right. And then a little bit of cheese on top of this.
And you said that was mozzarella you're using, right?
Yeah.
All right.
So what I do is kind of shake a little bit because you want to keep the dough moving. See it?
Oh, so it doesn't be sticking like
Yeah.
that. Okay.
Because you're going to have a hard time putting it on the pizza stone. This is my pizza stone. And then I'll just slide it on there. Leave it in there for 12 minutes total. And once you reach halftime, all you got to do is kind of spin it around the pizza. Because it's not getting that hot. Even, I would say. All right. Yeah, it's halftime, ladies and gentlemen. So what I'm going to do is turn the pizza halfway. So I'm just going to pick it up a little bit. And as you can see, I just turn it halfway. What it does, it kind of, yeah, I would say,
It lets it cook even.
yeah, that's what I said before. And the most important thing is before you use a pizza stone, all you got to do is warm it up for at least 60 minutes, and then you're good to go.
That's pizza stone.
Yeah, pizza
Okay.
stone. Yeah.
Got you. Okay.
All right. Just trying to remind you guys again. This is what I use. Semola. Yeah, it prevents the pizza from sticking.
Okay. All right. Is it done yet, man?
Yeah, man.
All right.
Didn't take that long. You see how it slides on there? Yeah. You check the bottom.
Okay.
So it's all good now. Slide it on here. That's it. This is how you make a pizza. Even you could make a pizza with no problem.
I guess we got to do it. World famous foods. We're gonna be doing pizza next.
Yeah, and I will show him, and I will show you guys that it's not so hard to make a pizza. You don't have to be Italian to do that shit.
Okay. Again, world famous foods. We're here with Julius Negatron. Follow him on Instagram. The link will be in the description. World famous foods.
Yeah, awesome. You know what, man? Take care, guys.
What, man?
If I can do this, you can do this too.
Think so?
Yeah,
Okay then.
I think so.
One of my upcoming videos then, I'll be making pizza. Showed by Julius Negatron. Again, follow him on Instagram. Okay.
Follow me on Instagram, Julius Negatron.